Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. It's going to dive into Ethereum once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, so across the board, honestly, thank you for your support. Really do appreciate it. The level of support we get across this channel is amazing. Okay, I just want to tell you that, you know, from a technical standpoint, Ethereum is really bullish. Really bullish. You're holding key levels of support and you're looking for continuation. You're breaking out key levels of resistance as well. There is a technical target here for Ethereum because you've broken out of a rising wedge just here, and essentially, you know, when you do break out these levels of support in rising wedges, or you break the resistance, you have technical targets at the upside. You lose support, you have technical targets at the downside. So at the moment you are in a bit of a technical target to the downside, and this is your technical target. Now to invalidate that, okay, all you have to do is break this high just there, and you invalidate this technical target of the rising wedge. Do you see that? And at the moment you are being supported by the 20. This is a 4-hourly time frame here. Okay, if you can continue to hold this 4-hourly 20, what this is going to do, this is actually going to creep you up like this, okay, and you're going to form some kind of big, large ascending triangle. Do you see this? And once you break that level of resistance, you know, if you break that just there, you're looking at an upside and a retracement to the all-time high here for Ethereum. But obviously, equally, if you do start to roll here and lose the hour, the 4-hourly 20 EMA, and you come down to this level of resistance, previous resistance back tested and turned into support, if you can hold that, again, equally, this could offer a fantastic opportunity to go long here on Ethereum, because this is giving more confidence to the fact that you're holding the EMAs, especially 4-hourly 55. You know, you come down, you hold and bounce off it, you break this resistance here, you are looking at a whopping trade here for Ethereum. I'm going to show you this, okay? So lose support, you're looking at a dump, basically. I'm going to show you where that level of support is in a moment, but if you break this resistance at 3276, you're looking at a retracement to the all-time high here for Ethereum, and you're looking at a whopping impulsive wave to the upside. Let me show you this right now, okay? Because you're breaking out a key level of resistance right there, okay, where you created this level of support, lost it, went short, you know, come back up, created this resistance here, which is now what you're looking to test, okay, which is this particular confluence area here where you resistance, you know, came down to create support, in effect a triple bottom down here, and a large descending triangle just there, look, which you're broken out of. And this is why I was able to give you the technical target just there, that once you broke that level of resistance, you was looking at a retracement to where you created the descending triangle. Do you see that? And that's exactly what you've done. So that was offered a fantastic long opportunity just there. When you broke that level of resistance, you retraced to that technical target of where you created the descending triangle. Do you see that? A 57%. Now you've come up against it as resistance, which is normal. You know, you've ran into the target, the technical target. So once you break that level of resistance, it's clear skies above, because you are breaking out of a larger technical target on Ethereum. So those of you who didn't watch the video yesterday, look, you've come down, you've come up, you've come down, and you've come up. You created a lower low just there, but a lower high, sorry, and you've come up and you've created a massive big WW pattern within a WW pattern, effectively. Look, so let me explain this. So you've come down like that, you've come up there, and you've come up like that. Do you see that? It's amazing. Big WW bottom pattern with a breakout target. So from there, you've actually already broken out. You've broken out the destination. Look, and the destination that you've already broken out of, you've run into the resistance, is a retracement to the all-time high. So you're already in a technical target to the all-time high. The only way you can lose that is if you come down and lose 2951. If you start to come down and lose that and you're hitting your head, this is where you're going to roll over and potentially re-enter this large bullish reversal pattern, essentially coming down. Now if you do come down and you do lose 2951 for Ethereum, right, do anticipate that holding of the 20 EMA on the daily time frame is vital, because you know you can see you've not backtested its support. You buy and go to the weak signal, you've got a little bit overextended, you know, you're rolling over, you're holding the key level support, looking for continuation. If you do lose that support, put some cheeky bids down here on the 20 on the daily, and that currently sits at 2749. okay, it looked bad, but in actual fact you're going to come up and it's going to hold your support, creep you up, and this is where you're going to get the continuation here for Ethereum. This is mega bullish, okay, because, and I'll show you why it's mega bullish as well, okay, for Ethereum. It's mega bullish because you are looking at a fantastic long up here for Ethereum, and I'll tell you why straight off the bat, okay, because on the daily time frame, let's take a look at this, okay. So just here on the daily time frame, if you break this key level of resistance right here, not financial advice, but you've got a fantastic long up here, because you're breaking out a key level resistance, and not only that, you're breaking up above the 0786, okay, because you've got a technical target to the retrace to the upside. Now once you break the 786, that's confluence with the fact that you're carrying out a massive reversal wave here for Ethereum. You know, you're going to come up, you're retracing, now you're retracing for all these levels, okay, you ran above the 618 and you've got above the 050. You can see right now the 20, which is a major level of support in an uptrend, okay, that is right now above the 050. This is really bullish, really bullish. You know, even if you did roll here and lose 251, you come down to the 20, where are you? You're holding support at the 050, which is fantastic. It's what happens in retracements. You come down, hold these key levels of support, you're looking for continuation, you're holding support like an absolute boss here for Ethereum. It's so bullish, because with that, you know, if you're looking for a fantastic long op here, not financial advice, but I think that once you break 3278, okay, which is currently the local high of this retracement, once you break that, you are looking at a whopping long here of 138% on Ethereum, bringing you up to $7,804, roughly up that sort of area, okay, because that's the next impulsive wave up, which is what it's forming now. But like I said to you, and I say in so many videos, it's not going to be taking off into space. It's going to be a long bumpy ride. You're going to roll back to key levels of support, which you're doing right now. Okay, you hold that support, you're going to break resistance, you have technical targets to the upside. The technical target to the upside from that level of resistance which you're going to break, obviously you're already in a technical target of this break of resistance. Do you see that? This is where you run into resistance of descending triangle, okay? So this is normal, this is healthy, this is what you want to see, okay? And you're coming back, you're holding support, you're looking at a fantastic long up here for Ethereum. You really are. You know, if you do get fortunate enough to fall down, and we have a bit of a correction here, and we do fall down, you see it rolling, put some cheeky bids on this yellow line, okay, on the 20 on the daily, because from there I do suspect you'll hold it as support, and you're looking at even longer long opportunity of around about 180% for Ethereum. But what Ethereum is doing right now, okay, is really bullish for altcoins, and this is why I say it's the king of the alts. Whatever Ethereum is doing, you do need to pay attention to, okay, because right now you are above the golden ratio, the 0618. You're above it, you're holding it like a boss, okay, and even if right now you had a bit of a correction, you would come down to the 050. You're holding support, key support like a boss, okay? You've already tested these previous levels. Look, and this is what I wanted to see. I'll be honest with you, and I said this in the XRP video. Look, you've come up, right? How good can you get? You've come up at 0386. What do? You roll back to the 0236. Boom, support tested. You've come up here. You've melted through the 0382. Okay, but when you come through the 382, what do? You hit the 050, and what did you do? You roll back to 0382. So you've come up here. Okay, look, you've had your little retest. You've actually retested the 050 just there. You come up. You just be above the 0618, the golden ratio. But what you're doing right now, you're holding it support. So you might not even come this low, because this is how bullish Ethereum is. There was a bit of a bearish divergence on the 4-hourly, which is obviously playing out. Now, you know, full transparency, you do have a technical target at the moment to the downside of 2935. So if you do start to see the roll, put some cheeky bids in there. But if you lose that as support, you're looking at a retest of 050 and the 20 EMA on the daily, which, you know, not financial advice, but that will hold as support and for kind of continuation, because Ethereum is mega bullish. You're breaking out key levels of resistance. You're looking at continuation. You're looking at that in this bull run, $7,804, the continuation of the bull run, okay, and this correction just there is over, and you've got beautiful triple bottom down here, well, a quadruple bottom if you want to count that. You know, a solid foundation right there, and full transparency, if you do see a big roll and XRP Ethereum loses 1716, that's your bear market, okay, that's your bear market, not here. It's corrective phase of a bull market, looking for continuation, breaking all levels of resistance. So it's all good. It's all good. Take care, everyone. We'll be back to another Ethereum update, and I will try and stay regular with Ethereum, but you know, you've got to pay attention to Ethereum, because it is king of the alts. Whatever Ethereum's doing, it's a precursor to the way the market's going for the alts, especially, okay? Let's take a look down here. Last time we got the bullish cross after a whopping correction, that was your Corona dump, wasn't it? And where did we have a whopping correction? It was a relatively not nasty correction, but we did have a correction there, and we created a little double bottom. You come back up, you created a buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. You fell back to the EMAs, back test and held as support. See you later, alligator. Continuation, that whopping wave up there, and ever since, you know, you've topped out there, you rolled down, you created your quadruple bottom, you're picking up, you got your buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. You're looking good. You are looking good. The RSI, let's take a look at the RSI and the daily. a little bit overbought. This is why you rolled a little bit just there. You know, the stock RSI is rolling a little bit to a medium level, so this could be the wave to bring you up to tackle this high, because it's going to need some strength, it's going to need some power. Okay, so do anticipate that if you do start to carry out a technical target right there and lose that, the daily 20 EMA acts as a key level support. Okay, take care everyone. I hope you enjoyed that update. It's looking good, it's looking strong, it's looking golden. Bye bye.